Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone brands Reddit available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone brands Reddit, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. SALMOPH KF102. KF102 Max Drone 4K Profesional, GPS mode and optical flow mode, dual mode, GPS return to start point and point with low power and no signal, GPS smart following. After the plane left the GPS, it will open the app following function, and the plane will follow the mobile phone. In addition, image following. Detect the shooting object and follow the flight automatically. Gesture photography and recognition. Within 1 to 3 meters of the plane, make photographic gesture in front of the camera. Route multi-point planning flight. The plane autonomously fly after the preset route. The player focuses on shooting fixed points around, find the center of the surround, and then move the desired surround radius through the rocker. Track and remind the drone. Click on the GPS signal icon 3 times, open the map interface. The map shows the closing distance of the aircraft, length and latitude position. 4K HD camera. 2-axis gimbal make photo more clear. Number 2. RH821 Mini Drone for Kids. 1 key taking off, landing and auto hovering function enable this RC plane to take off easily and hover at its current height. Constructed from lightweight and robust EPP material, ensuring durability. The propellers are enclosed by a protective guard for safety, reducing the risk of injury and protecting the drone from damage. The 10-inch length of drone can stunt flying, such as circle fly, 3D flips and auto rotation, forward, backward, turn left, right, fly up and down, left and right. Number 3. New D1 Drone 8K camera. The first model can control the drone's obstacle avoidance head to rise, fall, achieving the obstacle avoidance head lifting function, raising when the obstacle avoidance function is turned on and falling when the obstacle avoidance function is turned off. The front lens is a 480p high-definition version of the Wi-Fi lens, which can be electrically adjusted at 150 degrees to achieve up, down shooting of the front lens. The bottom high-definition lens has an optical flow that can switch the shooting angle. After upgrading the front lens, it adopts a shock-absorbing ball anti-shake and stabilization design, and adds a lighting effect of flashing light for taking photos and constant light for recording. When the light is too dim, the app can also switch to a stronger exposure mode to improve brightness, making the photo formation clearer. The fixed height function has a height holding mode function, optical flow positioning and fixed point function, and stable flight. Ultra long battery life of 3.7 volts 2000 mAh lithium battery, with a battery life of about 15 minutes. Custom route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app. App mobile control, one-click return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right flying, gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, ultra-long endurance, with obstacle avoidance function. Can stop quickly when encountering obstacles without colliding with them. Brushless motors provide stronger power and longer service life. The product is lightweight but has weight, with a battery on the body weighing about 204 grams, which can avoid national aviation regulations. Some countries require certification or registration for drones weighing over 250 grams. And 204 grams can eliminate the hassle of certification and registration. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, for smoother flight and more convenient control. Number 4. Xiaomi Mijia V168 GPS Drone 4K, with foldable arms, compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, can connect to APK system to take photos, videos and transmit images in real time through mobile phone camera. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 3000 m. 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 6K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide various HD images and videos with altitude hold mode function to provide stable flight. Orbital movement will allow the aircraft to fly in circles, providing cooler camera angles. Waypoint flight mode. Simply draw a route on screen with the helicopter as the given path. Flight time of up to 22-25 minutes. No need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flight. One-touch return function. You can easily find your way home. One-touch takeoff/landing. One-button auto takeoff or landing. The drone will automatically take off or return to the takeoff position. With low power protection over current protection. Interference immunity using 2.4 GHz technology. 4 channels, can fly up, down, forward, backward, left and right. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easier control. It has 3 flight speed switch levels to make flying more fun. The quadrotor fuselage is made of strong, high-strength engineering plastic, lightweight and durable. Number 5. 2025 LIEI GTR6 drone. 2025 GTR6 Edward optical flow GPS folding drone with Wi-Fi transmission. Professional aerial camera, medium-sized with servo gimbal. HIN concerned chemical non-max wind speed resistance less than 10 km/h. Max takeoff weight greater than 1 kg. Equipped with aerosol spray-in system. Spread tank volume yes. Video maximum resolution pixel x pixel. Category camera drone. Aircraft operating frequency 5 GHz. Drone weight 1700 grams. GPS yes. Connectivity APP controller. Flight time 22 minutes. Sensor size 6.0 inches. Camera integration. Camera included. Camera features 4K HD video recording.